Welcome to the EC Utopia Education Channel. Today's lesson is going to be on the New Documents tab. There's some key concepts that we'll focus on. The first is that the New Documents tab is the primary screen used for accessing and managing new documents. It's a quick and easy way to display new documents that have been sent by your buyers. And one big reminder is that after any action is taken on the new documents, like printing, viewing, the documents are moved into the Document Management tab. You can always move those back from Document Management over to New Documents, and that's another key concept. Primary purpose of the New Documents tab is to take action on those new documents that are coming in from our buyers. We can manage a single document or multiple documents at one time. We can print, view, and acknowledge those new documents. And then some key concepts to remember that when we take action on one of these documents that's out there or multiples of them, it moves them from the New Documents tab over to the Document Management tab. The other thing that happens is over on the buyer's side and over in the Documents tab, the status of the order changes from initial to received. A good part about it is you can always make a document new again using the Keep as New feature. As we leave the dashboard and move into the New Documents tab, one of the things we'll notice is that we actually have an identifier that lets us know how many new documents are out here. In this particular case, we have one right now. One of the great features in EC Utopia is the ability to use the drop-down filtering and search capabilities. So in the New Documents tab, we actually have the ability to filter off of a retailer name. So in this particular case, we'll select Ron's, he's available. We can use order types and order subtypes. These are all defined by our retailers, but they are available for us to be able to search off of. When we come into the New Documents tab, we'll be taking action on our orders. Typical actions would be printing, viewing, or acknowledging our orders. We have multiple ways of selecting our documents. We can use the header bar to select all of the documents in a particular screen. We can select individual documents using the checkboxes and then taking those actions on them, or we can select the individual document number itself, click on that, and it takes us into, in this particular case it's a purchase order, takes us into the purchase order screen, and we can take action on it. Since this is our only order, you see that the drop down only has our one order that we're working on. In this particular case, we're going to do a Keep as New so that way our document actually moves back over to the New Documents tab. Click OK and move back over to New Documents. We see that we have two orders again. So now if we want to show that we can do multiple documents at one time, we'll select all of our documents. We'll click on View, move over into the purchase order screen, and now what we see is by clicking the drop down, we actually have both of our orders there. So this is a really nice feature for managing large sets of data or multiple documents at one particular time. From here, we can create an acknowledgement, invoice, build a shipment, save it to either a PDF or a CSV for use in Excel, print the order, or we could even take those documents back and put them in Keep as New. So in this particular case, I actually did a Keep as New so that we can see that this one order moves back into New Documents, and if we go back to Document Management, we see our other order hanging out here. Key takeaways from today's session are that the New Documents tab is used for accessing and managing new documents. After an action is taken on a new document, the document moves over into the Document Management tab. We can always get it back using the Keep as New function. Taking action, printing, viewing, or acknowledging, changes status on the buyer's side. We use the color red to highlight exceptions, so in this particular case, a PO change. We can easily manage multiple orders at a time, and we have great search and filtering tools. That wraps up this EC Utopia education video. We encourage you to use the help button in the application and to view all of our informational videos. If you have any questions, any suggestions or feedback, please let us know by sending us an email to support@ecutopia.com. Thank you and have a great day.